This dash cam footage came from a third party, meaning he or she was not involved in this crash. We call this person a witness. This witness will likely have to testify as to the authenticity of the video. Um, Whenever we find out that there's a witness, we'll actually send them letters asking them to save any video or surveillance or any information that they have about this crash. And we actually send those not only to the witnesses, but to all parties involved. And even, this crash looks like it occurred in front of a hospital. We would likely send a letter to the hospital as well, asking them to save any video footage that they may have in relation to this crash. Because later on, if we find out that there was video footage and then this footage was deleted, that party could actually be sanctioned by the court. So if you have footage or if you have evidence of a crash or anything else, make sure you save that footage. Don't get rid of it.